Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This is one of the viewers' request. Is it really over between both of you? Is it really over between both of you? Okay, so we will check this answer today. And for a change, I have already pre-shuffled and taken out the cards, but I don't know what cards are there inside. First, we will start with one single message from your person, and after that, we will pull the tarot cards, and after that, I will ask you to ask a question. Okay, one single question to universe, yes or no. Okay, so that can be related to this topic, or that can be related to any other topic, maybe your job, career, love, marriage, whatever it is. So you can ask one single question whether it is yes or no. Okay, so today I'm going to do something little different. So what happened was, the earlier video I recorded on Thursday, and the video came so long, that is, it is 1 hour long, and I was not able to upload the video. In between, what happened, my kitty ran away. Then I had to search for her, crying and asking people. So because of that, I couldn't upload. Then after that, today whole day I tried to upload, and it was uploading so slow. Yesterday whole day I was trying to upload, and it is not uploading. Then I came to know, okay, this is a too long video. Then I made it into parts and I posted today. And sorry for the inconvenience, but from today onwards I will record small videos, okay, so that it will be uploaded fast, and for you also it will be easier to see my videos. Okay, so that's what I am planning to do. And before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, whoever is constantly supporting me and my channel. And please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with every one of you. So please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. And if you want personal readings, please contact me. My details are given below. But I have seen some people are sharing some screenshots and asking me to do the reading, and they are asking just one advice, just one guidance, just one clarification, and they are posting some screenshots and asking 5 6 tarot cards will be there, and they will be asking what is the meaning of this. That means it is kind of a reading only, right? But for that I need to dedicate my time. So instead of that, you can opt the personal reading. So that is why I could not reply to all. So that's all I wanted to say. Then we have, as usual, three piles here. Three piles are almost similar, and for you it will be difficult to choose also, but purposely I did like that for a change. Okay, so we will go to the pile selection. Okay, so pile number 1, this white agate. Pile 2, this clear quartz. Pile 3, this rose quartz. Okay, so whatever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, pause the video and you can choose the pile. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the video. I'll keep the piles aside so that I can do the first pile. Okay, whoever chose this white agate, this reading is for you. Is it really over between both of you? Or is there a chance of reconciliation, and what is the future of this connection? We will see. The message is, I wish I had treated you better. Okay, this is the main energy now. We will keep it aside. And now let us see, is it over or not. That message shows that your person is regretting for sure, and they want to correct their mistake. That's what I feel from that message. Okay, let's see more from the tarot cards, and we will ask angels and spirit guides to help us and guide us. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Is this connection really over? 3 of Moons, 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 10 of Spheres. Okay, these are all spheres actually. And the last one is Justice. Okay, so let's see. Okay, your person might be, I feel strongly, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. For some of you, they might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and very few of you will have the Libra. Okay, so that's what I can see from these this spread. Okay, let's come to the point. Is it really over? No, I don't think so, because the three of moons, that means they want to celebrate with you. Maybe you both are friends already, or you have mutual friends, so they want to celebrate with you, or they want to have the old memories come back. Okay, that means whatever days you have enjoyed together, they want those moments back. They want to enjoy with you, they want to celebrate with you, they want to have party with you, then celebrations and all the things they want, happy moments they want with you. And also they want to have this equal give and take in this connection. Maybe earlier you were giving and that person was not giving to you. Okay, now this person want to have equal give and take. That is what this person is saying, that I wish I had treated you better. So now they are regretting, repenting. So now again, 7 of spears. So that means this person is patiently waiting for this connection to grow, or this person is making plans that how to grow your money together. So maybe they have plans of collaborating with you, and they want to grow the assets, grow the funds or investment. Okay, so they want to make you as a partner also. So they are patiently waiting. They think that they sow a seed in this connection and they want it to grow more and more day by day. So the main thing is they want to give the justice to this connection. So they want to definitely they want to reconcile, come back to you, they want to marry you. Almost two marriage cards are there here. One is 10 of Pentacles, and other one is the Justice. So this person definitely want to marry you. What is this connection really over? No, not at all. This connection is not over. This person is planning to come back to you, and they want to marry you. Not only that, they want to marry you, as I said already. They want to build a legacy with you, and they want to have a family with you. They want to have children with you. They want to stay with their family, and they want to combine the assets that you both have, and they want to collaborate with you to do some kind of a business, or they want to grow older with you. That's what I can see from this pile. So the question we asked is it really over? No, not at all. This is not over. This is just a break, and now this person is going to value you, going to respect you, and this person definitely want to reconcile with you and marry you. Okay, hope this is clear to you. So one more thing is the last part of this reading. If you have any question in your mind, and you want to know whether the answer is yes or no, so please meditate, pause the video and think of your question. Ask the universe what is the answer. Please take 5 minutes time and meditate, then ask the angels. Okay, so the answer I will show the card. If it is yes or no, we will see. Okay. Wow, the Sun card. So definitely the answer is yes, yes, yes. Whatever question you asked, friends, the answer is yes, 100%. Okay, hope you like this reading, and if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications from my channel, and please share this with your friends or relatives, whoever needs this guidance. Okay, and also mention in the comments that what videos you want in future. As for example, this is asked by one of the viewer only, so it will be easier for me to do the readings. If you ask your choice recordings, I mean videos, then I will do accordingly the readings, right? Okay, that's all. See you next in the with the next video. Until then, bye. Whoever chose this clear words, this reading is for you. Is it really over? Is this connection really over? First we will see your person's message, and then we will see the tarot cards for more clarity, And finally, you can ask one single question, whether it is yes or no, and spirits will answer. You are mine forever. Okay, this says it all. So this is your person's message. You are mine forever. That is their message. Now we will see the tarot card. So they don't want to leave you. That's what I feel. Let's see. 9 of Spears, 5 of Moons, the Devil, the Lovers, then 9 of Swords. Okay, so this person might be Gemini or Capricorn, or in fact I have all the signs except fire signs. Okay, so they can be any fixed sign also, but no, I can't see any fixed signs here. I can see only Capricorn, then Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, all these signs I can see. Your person might be any one of these signs. Let us ask the question to spirits. Is this connection really over? Is it really over? Let's see. Okay, so this is 9 of Spears. 9 of Spears means this person is definitely pretty much single, and they see you as a wish fulfillment, and they are working on themselves, and they are observing you also. You are very independent, and you are working on yourself, and they see that you are an independent woman. I mean, you have everything in your hand, like money, then power. You are happy in your life. That's what they see. They see that you are quite independent, beautiful, then abundant. Okay, they observe you. They see you as a very. They like your energy actually. Happy. Always you are happy. You are in your own world. You are not bothered about the world, what they are doing, what they are up to. So you are quite independent. You are into your own world, and you always keep yourself happy and your surroundings happy. So you love nature, then you want to spend the time in gardens or around the flowers and trees. Okay, so this person looks at you like that, and they feel that you don't need them at all. They feel that you are quite independent, that you can do whatever you want to do, so you don't need anybody else. That's what this person feels, and that is what is attracting this person towards you. So that is the reason they want to come towards you, to share your happiness with them, because they don't have any happiness in their life. According to this spread, I can see they don't have any happiness in their life. They are very sad. Okay, so that is the reason they, after seeing you, sometimes they feel jealous also, how a person can be so happy. Okay, how a person can be so confident. So you are like careless person, like you don't, okay, it is not happening, fine, then leave it. Then that kind of a person you are. Maybe you will cry 1 day 2 days, but after that you leave and you move on with your routine. So they feel that you don't care about them, and you forgot them. You so you, I mean, you lost this person. I mean, they lost you actually, not you lost them, they lost you. So that is the kind of a feeling this person is having. Then this person is very, very sad, mourning, like whatever they have done in the past. So that is coming in their mind every day. Again and again it is coming, and they are not able to enjoy their life right now. Even though they have some kind of a happiness in their life, still they are not able to enjoy. So they are always thinking about you 24/7. They are thinking about you constantly. Why this happened? Why this happened? So they are. I can feel that this person is kind of a overthinker, and they cannot sleep at night. Maybe because of this worry makes them wake up in the middle of the night and cry. So this person cries at night for you, and cries, regrets about whatever happened between you in the past. So now they want to change this connection. It is definitely not over. This connection is not at all over, friends. So definitely this person want to come back to you. Okay. And they maybe right now this person is not well, or health issues are there, or for some people maybe this person is bedridden and constantly thinking about you, what you are doing, what you are feeling, what you are thinking, what is happening in your life. They're constantly thinking about you, like obsessing over you, like a kind of a devil. Okay. So there, maybe this person drinks or smokes. Okay. So some, for some of you, maybe they have some addictions. So this person is obsessively thinking. Maybe they will drink and think about you, or they drink and while drinking they cry. Maybe they talk about you with their friends, and they say that no, I lost this person. This person is very genuine, and I like this person really, but somehow we broke up. Okay, like that this person might be obsessing over you. They feel that you both are chained together, and you both are lovers actually. So they love you a lot, and they don't want to give up this connection. That is the reason they don't know how to come towards you, and they are crying over you. They're not able to sleep at night. So definitely they will find a strategy. If suppose a person is constantly thinking, overthinking, and they are spoiling their health, instead of that, definitely they will choose to contact you, right? So that is what this person is going to do. Definitely they'll come back to you. They want to say that you are mine forever. That message they want to say to you. Okay, it's very positive reading, friends. Definitely they are coming back to you. It is not over. So now the last part. So, whatever question you have in your mind, you can ask, whether it is related to this reading, or whether it is related to your career, job, health, whatever it is. So, you can ask one single question and angels will answer you. But for this, you have to pause the video, and you have to meditate, and you have to ask the question to universe and angels, then they will answer you. Okay, so let us see what card angels gave you. Wow, the Hierophant. Okay, this person might be a Taurus person, or very spiritual person, very respectful. So, in the society, person in the society. So, you are asking about your marriage, correct? I can definitely see that you are asking about a marriage, and this is a marriage card. The Hierophant is a marriage card. So, definitely, this person want to marry you. They want to come towards you, and they want to marry you. This is a honest, trustworthy person. Okay, so maybe your person is Taurus person also, I don't know. So definitely the answer is yes for you. So Hierophant is a very positive card in the deck. So the answer is yes, whatever you are asking. But I strongly feel that you are asking about marriage, and definitely your answer is yes. Okay, I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my upcoming videos, and please share my readings with your friends and relatives, so that they can get benefited with my readings, if you think so. Okay, that's all then. See you next in the next reading. Until then, bye. Whoever chose this pink quartz or rose quartz, this reading is for you. Is it really over? First, let us see his message, his or her message, whatever their message, then we will start the reading. My love for you is unconditional. So, definitely, this person loves you a lot. That's what this person is saying. And let's see what tarot says about your connection. Is it really over or not? Let's see. First card, Fortune Wheel. Then next card, Prince. Prince of Suns. Three of Spheres. Okay. Ace of Spears. One of Spears. Temperance. Okay, so these are all the cards we have here. We will see the answer, yes or no answer, later after this reading. Okay, I feel that your person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very strong. Sagittarius is very strong here, or Aries, Leo, Sag also is there. And fixed signs that are Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. Any one of these signs might be your person whom you are asking this question about. So let's see. Fortune wheel. Okay, so the wheel is turning into your favor. Okay, so now till now maybe you are in no communication, no contact, blocked each other, no, then you broke up with each other, you thought that this relationship ended or this connection is ended. Now the wheel is turning into your favor. So whatever negative happened in the past, now it is turning into positive. So that means this person will definitely come towards you, and they want to correct their mistakes. So this person is very very passionate about you. Okay, the Prince of Suns means this person is definitely passionate towards you, and they want to come towards you. They want to come back into the power in this connection. Now they feel that they are powerless. They don't have any power or authority or any control over you. So now this person want to have the authority and come back, get back the power into this connection. Okay, so this person want to come towards you passionately. Okay, they know they have so many sexual desires, physical attraction. So they are very much attracted towards you, and they are not able to forget you. So that is why they want to come towards you, and they want to express their feelings towards you. And they are learning. Okay, they are learning something in these days to come towards you. Maybe they started new business or a new job. So it is kind of apprentice means they are learning the work now. For many of you, I see that this pile is like youngsters. So maybe the viewer is young person or the other person is also young. So that person is starting, maybe this is their first job, or maybe they are starting a business, or they are doing changing their job and got a new job. So they are busy with their job, and that is also related to you, because they want to work on this relationship also. After they settle down with their job or business, they want to come towards you. This is definitely not over. They want to have a new beginning in this connection. They want to definitely come towards you with an offer, stable offer. Okay, so that means Ace of Pentacles means it is always a stable offer. Even they come back also, they will not offer something very silly, but they will definitely offer you something very stable, that will stay with you forever. Okay, so I feel that they will come towards you with a love proposal, and also they want to make you as a partner in their business, or they want to make you maybe you are working, both are working in the same office or organization, they want to make you as part of in their project. Okay, something like that. But still they want to be with you, they want to be around you. Okay, so that is what they are carefully planning, and they are learning how to do strategizing. Okay, so they want to have a new beginning in this connection. Definitely they'll come back to you. Temperance, that means they want the balance in this connection. So they feel that the connection is imbalanced, that is why it collapsed. Okay, so that is the reason it did not reach where you want to reach. Okay, but I don't feel in this file you had any fight or something. Maybe you both didn't express your feelings, that's what I feel. So nobody has confessed their love, that's what I feel. So you both are in confusion or a dilemma whether to express or not. Okay, so now this person definitely is coming towards you. They want to make this connection as balanced, and they have lot of passion towards you. So that is why they are saying my love for you is unconditional. Okay, so definitely this connection is not over. So don't think that why everything is positive. Okay, but I did not see the cards. I shuffled and kept as it is just 5 minutes before starting this reading. Then I did not see. Even if I see also, why will I spend so much time in arranging the cards, right? So that is why I did not see the cards, and fortunately the everything came very nice. Okay, now let's come back to the last part of the reading. Yes or no. Okay, so now you can select any question, and you can pause the video, you can meditate, you can ask your question to angels, and angels will answer you. Okay, So please ask angels about your question. Angels will respond to you whether it is yes or no. Let's see. So the star. Okay, so you know the answer. I don't think I need to tell you. The answer is yes. The star means the celebration, celebrity. Okay, then there is a hope. Whatever question you asked, that is the answer is yes, because there is a hope in this question. Whatever it is, maybe you are asking about will I become a celebrity, or will I get this job, or will I be a star? Okay, be a movie star, something related to that. So the answer, universe is saying that the answer is yes. Okay, so if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol to know more notifications from my channel, and share with your friends and family or relatives if you feel that these will be, my readings will be helpful for somebody else. Okay, so that's all then. See you in the next reading. Until then, bye.